I actually almost lost it during the last verse because I saw the people were
Yes. I really love
they're actually swimming already.
I really love the special effects. I can really see the budget. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We really love that. Hope you guys like the special effects. Please make some noise for the people behind there. But yeah, again, thank you so much for singing Quit with us. Is it your favorite song from the EP? No, I'm wrong. All of the songs were your favorite, right? Of course. That's
Yes.
for sure. But yes, again, thank you so much for singing that with us.
Ang kulit mo, Stan!
Okay naman.
Yes.
Gusto sabihin si Justin eh. May gusto ko masabihin. They are expecting some jokes from you. Am I right, 18?
Oh, jokes nga pala si Ja! Come on, Ja!
Pressure.
It's just that it's been a long time. And for the people here, it's been a long time since they've seen their loved ones, you know?
Kaya mo yan!
Been a long,
Kaya mo yan!
long time. That's why they will like sing Marhaba.
Galing, ang bilis.
Yes, you know, what we're saying, it was like, it's been a long time since we've been to the Philippines for some of you. Am I right? Sino nakakamiss na sa mga pamilya nila sa Pilipinas?
I'm sure you really miss the Philippines, right?
Yes. And I know some of you are working here to provide, to be the parent, to be the one who will guide your family, your loved ones. Working hard here sa Doha. That's why we're here having our concert to bring home
Hoy,
for
si
you
ating may
guys.
ilaw,
So for our next song, we hope na sabayin niyo yung pagkanta namin kasi this is for all of you guys being
Para sa magulang? Mapa?
parent, tumata yung magulang,
Ayan
nagsisipin
na, oh!
gabay sa mga mahal sa buhay.
Okay, mapa na yan.
So, sana po sabihin niyo kami, this one's Mapa.